Hi and welcome to Tribitten. Welcome back if you have already subscribed to our channel, or welcome if you're new here.
Yes, welcome guys. So today we are in Japan. We've been traveling for about, 3 days now?
Yes, something like that.
We're going to be here for about a week.
Exciting!
Yes, we've had a lot of sushi. We've had a lot of ramen.
Yes.
And so we decided today we're going to do a video on Japanese snacks.
So we went to some stores in the Harajuku street and we bought some snacks and some drinks. Now, those drinks are not Japanese, I'd say.
No, but we saw these things, and since Yvonne's Dutch, as you guys know, we have these little bottles that say Van Gogh, as Yvonne likes to pronounce it. For the rest of you, it's Van Gogh.
No, it's Van Gogh. So what do you have there?
This is melon.
Oh, the melon flavor. We also have some PB&G, peanut butter and jelly flavored vodka. Who knows what that's gonna taste like? And we have espresso.
An espresso one, yeah. So we had these different flavors. There's probably, about 15 different flavors?
Yeah, something like that.
But the rest of them are pretty normal, like orange and like raspberry and cherry
Chocolate.
flavor. Chocolate one was a little funny, but we decided just to get these three because these three were the strangest. Melon, espresso, and peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, peanut butter and jelly. So those are the drinks that we're going to try. And then we also have a couple of snacks. So we have wasabi chips. And we have, this is
something filled with brie cheese.
Brie cheese and I guess like a little like...
Crisp around it? Something really spicy as we should...
It says.
Something really spicy.
Yeah.
And then some candy.
Some funny looking candy.
Yes.
None of this has any English explanation except for the wasabi chips because it just says wasabi. So we have no idea really what we're getting into other than the vodka and the general idea of what it is. Some of it's candy, some of it's chips. So let's start with what?
Oh, I'm going to start with this.
Super hot?
And then maybe,
Alright, and then a drink?
You do that, yeah. Get a drink ready.
Okay, I'll start with the espresso while you get that going.
Oh.
Does it smell good?
No.
Oh, it smells like fish.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Oh,
fish or chicken.
It smells like fish to me.
Hitoguri habanero katsu. Is katsu like fish or something?
Probably. So it's like spicy fish. Right. But we'll try it. And then we'll have a shot of espresso right after. Delicious.
This is what it looks like.
Right near my face.
Yes, in your face.
So it's like, looks orange and spicy. So let's go ahead and try this one first. If you guys know any of the names, like, or what it is, leave a comment so that we have an idea of what it is. So maybe in the future we can not be so ignorant. Cheers. Oh. I thought it was going to be crunchy. But it's
soft, chewy. Not spicy.
Not spicy.
Yeah, yeah.
Not really spicy. Definitely like a fish flavor to it.
Yeah?
Kind of tastes like a fish stick.
Yeah.
With like spice. It's like a spicy fish stick.
It's actually quite alright.
I eat it.
Nothing
too crazy. The package makes it look insane.
Yeah.
There's a big chili pepper with his mouth on fire. I mean, it's a chili pepper with his mouth on fire.
Yeah. I'm not on fire, and usually I can't really eat too spicy things, but this is not too spicy. That's good. Yeah.
All right.
Which one are we trying?
So we're trying the espresso shot. As you can see, espresso, Van Gogh, and nothing to clean their palate out.
Oh, it does smell like coffee.
Oh, it does. So we're just doing it as shots because, well, that's the only way to get the real flavor for something like this.
Oh, yeah? I'm not going to take a shot. I'm going to take a little sip.
You can take a little sip, but however you want. We have shot glasses. Ready? Let's just take a little sip. Right. Ready?
Cheers. Ooh. That's really good. Oh, it burns in my mouth. Maybe because of the spicy stuff, but I really like the coffee flavor to it.
The coffee flavor is really nice, but then it's got a really burning vodka flavor to it, like the alcohol taste to it. If you put this in a liqueur or you put this in a coffee,
I was about to say that this is like
hot
so.
chocolate
In my family, we have this tradition where like after our Christmas dinner, it's actually the second day of Christmas, the 26th. Now that we're filming this, and this would be perfect for my family. Cheers, family members. You know who I'm talking to.
Definitely tastes like espresso for the first sip.
Yeah. Ooh.
And then it hits you
It's
with
a nice
some.
liquor.
Well, we gotta finish
Oh
it.
yeah, I gotta finish
why,
it.
because
Otherwise, I can't.
you can't taste the
I
other
can't
stuff.
taste the other ones. You can't mix
So,
them.
bottoms
Alright.
up.
Yeah, bottoms up. Gambay.
Definitely
That's
tastes
a
like.
good one.
Yeah, definitely tastes like that.
Let's do
The cheese.
something not so spicy because we have the wasabi chips, and I think yours are gonna be
fun.
spicy. So let's try these
The cheese chips.
cheese.
They look like
brie
brie.
chips. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, open them up, and I'll get us
Going
what
for
goes
next
well
drink.
with brie. Melons. I'm gonna keep the peanut butter and jelly one for last.
Oh.
Whoa, you can definitely smell the cheese. Whoa.
Oh.
Alright, we're keeping the peanut butter and jelly shot for last because that just is so bizarre. Let's try
Yeah,
the
this
melon
is what
one.
they look. Ooh, what they look at from the front.
Like a little. There's like
They're
if you're
halfway
American, you probably know the combos. It's like pretzel with cheese inside, and we call them combos. So they have pizza flavor and they have nacho flavors. This kind of looks like that with brie cheese. So
Or if you're Dutch, well, you know, if you're
Well,
Dutch,
if you're Dutch.
if you're Dutch, you probably know bugles, and you put the cream cheese in it. You know the bugles.
yeah, we
too,
have
with the cream-
bugles, yeah, but we don't put cream cheese
Oh
in.
well, it's
We
not
put our
cream cheese.
fingers
It's like
in it, and
it's
then
a
we're like little
cheesy,
witches.
creamy sauce. It's a little bit,
Witch.
but this is hard. This is solid.
All right, we're
Alright.
gonna try it. Oh.
Mm.
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 Yeah, it's okay.
The snack.
The outside.
The outside is your typical like Japanese little crispy snack, which is good, but
But with the cheese, it's a little bit on the bizarre side.
yeah.
It kind of is like a Japanese combo. That'd be the best way to describe it.
I don't know what a combo is.
Well, you
but
know
yeah.
what a pretzel is, right?
Yes.
And
yeah.
then imagine putting cheese in a pretzel.
Okay.
And then having it hard like that texture, like crunchy. That's basically what a combo is.
The combo sounds better than this.
Yeah,
This is not
combos
something.
are okay, actually.
I wouldn't put this on my birthday table.
No, I wouldn't bring it to a party.
Okay, open up that melon one.
Yeah, here we go.
Let me get the cups.
So a little shot of. Oh, has an interesting flavor, interesting smell.
Just a little bit.
Not a full shot.
Oh.
Like I said, it has a very.
Very strong.
Oh, it smells like candy.
It smells like melon. I don't like
It smells like
honeydew
a melon candy.
I'm not gonna like this,
All
I
right,
don't think.
cheers.
Cheers. Because I don't like honey. I need melon. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
You're okay, honey. No. Okay.
Shivers.
You don't like it?
Yeah, it tastes like candy, but not a good candy. You like it?
Yeah, it's alright. But you know what? My mom always calls me a drankorgel anyway, so...
A drunk a-hole? What was that?
Een drankorgel. Like a liquor organ.
Hmm.
Like the organs you play. So...
I thought you meant like an organ inside of you.
A drunk liver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay. First taste was weird. But it might be because it's back to back with all these other things.
Where's our ginger?
I definitely wouldn't order this anywhere, ever. But
You know
if
what?
you had to drink it, it's not that bad. It would probably mix well with like a cranberry.
Really good if you have the fruit and the summer drink.
like a
If you make it
sangria or something.
Yeah, like a melon sangria, that would be really good.
Yeah, that'd probably
if
add,
you like melon.
That'd probably add flavor to it, and it probably wouldn't be that bad. All right.
Here we got these wasabi chips from Calbee. They have a lot of famous like chips flavors.
Open up our wasabi ones.
Yes.
Wasabi chips. They
This
look
is
like
what
normal
they
chips.
Look like.
Normal potato chips as they fall out. Normal potato chips.
Yeah.
They don't smell
Oh, I don't
strong at
really
all.
smell that wasabi. Oh yeah, but you can taste it.
Okay. Yeah. At first, I thought it was going to, because I felt it immediately,
Oh.
so I thought it was going to hit me stronger, but actually,
No, they're tasty.
they're pretty tasty.
I like this.
Yeah.
Really not so wasabi as I.
No.
I think it would be better if it had a little bit more wasabi.
I think it's the right flavor. If it had a little bit like almost like a sour cream flavor to it, like a wasabi and sour cream, like because I like sour cream chips, like
It does.
this, sour cream, like the Lay's sour cream. And so it kind of has that taste, but a bit of a kick from the wasabi. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice, and as you can see, it's like a Ruffles chip, like a
normal
Lay's
chip, yeah.
Ruffles sour cream chip. I'd eat these actually.
Yeah.
We should buy some more.
They're tasty. Yeah, but a little bit more wasabi would have been better.
For you, maybe. I
Yeah.
think they're quite alright.
Mm.
Alright.
Are you ready for the
Right-
peanut butter jelly? What's
right
that?
after the wasabi, we're going for peanut butter and jelly. Woo.
What kind of combinations are these?
It's a weird combination. It's a weird video for weird things we find in Japan. Give us a thumbs up if you think any of these seem cool.
Or if
Or
you
tell
like
us
these
if you
kind of
like these
videos.
kinds of things, because
We can do more.
Things, we actually have one from Malaysia, which did pretty well. A lot of people like that.
Or it's like here right
you can
now.
go watch it on the sidebar in
or
our description.
bottom.
And then also, if you like these kinds of things, we can do more from China because we have a lot of crazy China snacks.
Let us know in the comments
We
below.
also did one already where we ate chicken feet and stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, you can go check it out. That one didn't do as good, but if you like it and you let us know, then we can try and do more
We
interesting
also
stuff.
did China ice cream.
Oh yeah, the ice cream
Best
flavors.
one, durian.
Oh,
Anyways,
best one. All right, peanut butter and
moving
jelly.
on.
I don't smell peanut butter
No.
or jelly.
I don't smell either of them.
I just I smell vodka.
No, it does
No,
smell familiar.
smells familiar. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's vodka.
No,
That's what you're familiar with.
no, it does have a.
I just taste it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Second day of Christmas.
Oh, it's so Christmas.
Dutch people. Oh. Oh,
Whew.
it's definitely a jelly flavor to it.
But I can't track down the peanut butter. There's no peanut butter flavor in this. Wasabi chippy?
No, that's what's mixing and making it feel really weird. Yeah, there's definitely a jelly flavor to it. I was kind of hoping more for peanut butter, kind of like imagine if it was like a nutty
It
flavor
has a little
that
bit
you
of a
could
nut
put like
hint.
into like a coffee or something. Like if you could mix
Oh, yeah.
espresso with the peanut butter,
Yeah,
you
like
get
a hazelnut thing.
hazelnut kind of coffee flavor going on. But
No, this is not doing it for me.
Yeah, it's more jelly.
This is my least favorite. It does
Actually,
not
the
make sure-
espresso one was the
Espresso
best.
was really good. Yeah.
that was the one that actually had the flavor of.
Well, the melon one too.
Well, yeah.
All right.
All right, so we have one more thing. These crazy chips. If you know what these are, let us know.
This crazy
It's
candy.
Just crazy looking candy. So let's get it open and.
It has a. Is this a Pikachu on it?
No, that's not. Oh, is it?
It looks like a Pikachu.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It's a wannabe Pikachu. It's a knockoff Pikachu. It's like a marshmallow man. Well, he's probably super famous in China, Japan, and we don't even know.
Oh, it's a
Oh.
whole kit.
You have to do work.
Yes. With a spoon.
Oh, jeez. It's like Lucky Charms. I hope we don't have to add water. 3 packages.
Yes. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh.
Whoa, that's a
It's
lot
just
of
sugar.
powder.
I think we don't know what we're doing, to be honest.
What do we do with number 2?
Is this like make it yourself cotton candy? It looks like make it yourself cotton candy, and we don't know how to make it.
I'm sure you have to do something with water.
I'm mixing the blue and I'm mixing the white, and I'm snorting it. I mean,
Yeah, you'll have to add water because these are here. This is your little marshmallow candy thingies.
okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, there goes
And I'm
one.
dropping them again. I don't know. Can you see them?
Probably not. Just toss them in. I guess we'll add some water,
Okay.
and we're gonna. Is that all of them? Can you toss them all in?
No, not yet.
Oh man, this is way too involved. Add some water, and we'll stir it all up.
Cold water? Hot
Or
water?
just whatever you got with you. And then it'll be like a paste. Don't do it. It's a bad idea. It's gonna turn all blue. Oh, yep, that's it. Whoa, 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 how much water? Whoa, holy shit. I didn't say drown it. I said add a little bit of water. What am I supposed to do with this?
What
Seriously.
is this?
You've made soup. Oh my god. Now it smells like bubblegum. This is not working. Why'd you put so much water? What would you expect? What would you expect? Like what did you, what? Really? This isn't even water we used. How much did you need to put in here? Oh, I'm not tasting this.
You're not
This
gonna
looks
try
like
it?
gunk. Man, I
It's
have
getting soapy bubbly.
I have 2 swimming pools, and now they're mixing slowly.
Sorry for that.
Oh. I don't think we're supposed to put that much water, if any water.
Oh, you can't see you eat now. You're gonna get up level. Alright, here we go.
I don't think that's what you were supposed to do with that at all. Oh, super sweet.
Oh, that's really
Just
sweet.
sugar.
It tastes like... This is a familiar taste, though.
Sugar. That's the familiar taste, like your vodka is vodka and your sugar. That's the familiar taste. It just tastes like something I've had before. Yeah, sugar. Oh, jeez, you're killing me. Alright, guys. Whatever. This was a failure. Or we might not even put it in. If it's in, whatever. So that was it. We had a couple of weird snacks, a couple of weird vodkas that we found here in Japan. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but we have a couple of Japan videos from this time and the time we went in 2015. So if you're interested in doing things in Japan, be sure to watch some of the videos because we've just been doing the same things we did last time.
And
No. Anyways.
if you want to see daily vlogs, head over to my channel, Go Yvonne, for the daily vlogs because
Yeah,
the
'cause
daily
she's
vlogs
doing
are up there.
The regular stuff.
Yes.
And she has a bunch of other travel stuff that we've done in the past. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Trip Bitten for more ridiculous videos like this, where we
I have
ruin
no
candy.
clue what we're doing.
But alright, bye
See you
guys.
later. Bye.